This is going to give you a creamy, smooth dual conductor for your S shape. Here's a recipe that you can make at home. And the beauty of it is you can purchase all of these items on Amazon. I usually just make a small batch at a time. 3 parts vegetable glycerin for your radio frequency. So I'm just going to do 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. 1 part aloe vera gel, or 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel is for the cavitation. You need a water-based conductor for cavitation, so that's what the aloe vera gel is. A couple of drops of Nano Silver to give it that extra kick for conductivity. And some hyaluronic acid. The hyaluronic acid is going to make it thicker. So the more hyaluronic acid that you add will make it thicker. So depending on the consistency that you like, you can add more or less hyaluronic acid. I usually add about 4 pumps. And then I use my little whipper to whip it up. This is going to give you a creamy, smooth dual conductor for your S shape.